The common properties are accessible at all analysis levels: document, sentence, subsentence, and token. After you've installed the Lettria package on Python, you'll need to import the library. Next, you're going to need to include your personal API key, which can be found via the Lettria platform in the dashboard. Next, I'm going to add my API key to the NLP. Now you need to open your saved document. Be sure to add the name of your file since it may differ from the name of my example file. Now I'm going to rename my file to create the variable. Next, I'm going to add my document to the NLP. Common properties are broken down into 3 different types: string, tuple, and dictionary. To view a complete list of the common properties, you can refer to our documentation. From the documentation, you can see below that you have the name, type, and description of each common property. As you browse through the list, you could choose which common property will suit your data, as well as the analysis that you would like to perform. Now, to demonstrate a few common properties, I'm going to go through each type. First, we're going to take a look at the string type. Within the string type, you have string itself. To demonstrate this, I'm going to insert the string command. Now I'm going to run my code. Now I can see within my return I have a list of strings from my document. Now another string type to demonstrate from the common properties is dependency. To use the dependency common property, I'm going to insert the following command. Now I'm going to rerun my code. Now I can see below I have a return of dependency relations for the sentences in my document. Now another type of common property is the tuple. To use the emotion property, I'm going to insert the following command. Now I'm going to rerun my code. Now I can see below I have a return of the type of emotion as well as a score. Now another tuple type is meaning. To use the meaning common property, I'm going to insert the following command. And I'm going to rerun my code. Now I can see I have a return of meanings as tuples found below. The last common property type is dictionary. A couple examples include sentiment and synthesis. To use the sentiment property, I'm going to insert the following command. Now I'm going to rerun my code. Now I can see that I have a return for sentiment with positive, negative, and total values. A last example for a dictionary type of common property is synthesis. To use the synthesis common property, I'm going to insert the following command. And now I'm going to rerun my code. And now I can see within my return, I have a return of a synthesis object. Now if you find that you'd like to save your results, you can do that as well by inserting the save command. Now I'm going to rerun my code. And now I can see my results have been saved as a JSON file, which will enable me to come back and further analyze my document. So now you've seen how to use the common properties with Lettria.